floating right above our heads, is a single rock worth more than all the money on Earth combined. And it's about to break capitalism forever. This isn't science fiction. The trillion-dollar space race is already active. On Earth, we are running out of the rare elements that power our modern world. Platinum, cobalt, gold. They're buried deep, heavily guarded, and environmentally devastating to mine. But out there, drifting in the asteroid belt, are millions of floating vaults filled with raw wealth. The first nation or corporation to crack the logistics of asteroid mining won't just become wealthy. They will completely rewrite the laws of human history, tanking global markets overnight. To understand the sheer scale of this economic shockwave, you have to look at NASA's favorite target, 16 Psyche. This single, giant metal asteroid is valued at roughly $10 quintillion. That is a 1 followed by 19 zeros. If you brought that metal back to Earth today, every single human on the planet would theoretically become a multi-billionaire. But basic economics says that's impossible. If you flood a market with an infinite supply of a rare commodity, the value of that commodity plunges instantly to zero. The richest asset in the universe could trigger a global financial apocalypse. Because of this paradox, the smartest players in the space race aren't looking for gold or platinum. They're looking for something far more valuable: frozen water. Launching a single gallon of water from Earth's heavy gravity well costs thousands of dollars. But C-type asteroids are packed with cosmic ice. By mining this ice in microgravity, space corporations can crack the water down into hydrogen and oxygen, the exact ingredients for rocket fuel. Asteroids aren't just treasure chests. They're the gas stations of the cosmos. By creating in-space refueling hubs, the cost of space exploration drops by 99%. The real profit isn't bringing wealth back to Earth. It's building a trillion-dollar economy entirely in orbit. So, how do you actually extract wealth from a rock that has almost zero gravity? Traditional digging doesn't work. Strike a pickaxe into an asteroid, and you'll just push yourself backward into deep space. Enter the tech stack of the future: optical mining. Giant, lightweight mirrors focus raw sunlight into intense, weapon-grade beams. They blast the asteroid's surface, vaporizing the rock inside a sealed containment canopy. Magnetic fields then sort the vaporized iron, nickel, and precious metals in real time, packing them into autonomous cargo pods. The logistics are fully automated, entirely robotic, and completely free from human labor. But the ultimate barrier isn't the technology. It's the law. For over half a century, the Outer Space Treaty ruled that no country could claim sovereignty over any celestial body. Space belonged to everyone. But a quiet, legal coup has just changed the game. New domestic laws now allow private corporations to keep whatever they mine in space. This has triggered a secret, high-stakes geopolitical scramble. The nation that secures the primary choke points in the asteroid belt will control the foundational supply chains of the next millennium. We aren't just looking at a new industry. We are looking at the birth of the world's first corporate hypermonopolies. Entities with more financial and military power than any sovereign nation on Earth. The rush for space gold is about to create corporate empires that no one can regulate. The sky is no longer the limit. It's the new economic battlefield. If you want to ride the wave of the next cosmic gold rush, crush that subscribe button and drop a like right now. See you out in the black.